Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Temu customer service. If you want to contact to Temu customer service, firstly open any of the web browser and you need to open the Temu website. You need to type down temu.com and open this website. So what you need to do is click onto this support in the top right here. Over here you can select for the support center, safety center, chat with Temu, Temu purchase protection or privacy policy. As I'm going to select this chat with Temu here. Over here, this is the 24/7 live chat customer support, which can help you any issues. If you're facing any issues under the Temu here, you can simply type down any issue and select winter and Temu customer service will reply you instantly. And you can also select this support center here and you can find all of this frequently asked question about the Temu support here. And if you still cannot solve the problem, you can go to this contact us. Over here, you can also go to this link and proceed and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.